Have you ever wondered what life was like before clocks, calendars, or even the idea of time? No dates, no weekdays, no birthdays, no New Year's Eve countdowns, and yet, people still planted crops, celebrated festivals, and even planned wars. So how did they know when the right time had come? The truth is, time wasn't always measured, it was felt. Welcome to Archivefacts. We will learn today what was there before year 0001. Let's learn about this. Thousands of years ago, humans looked upward for answers. They noticed the moon changing shape night after night. They saw the sun rise and set in a steady rhythm. They watched the stars slowly shift across the heavens. These weren't just pretty patterns. They were the first clocks of humanity. But people didn't just watch the sky, they built monuments to capture it. In Britain, Stonehenge still stands as a giant calendar in stone. Every year, on June 21st, the midsummer sun rises perfectly between its stones. On December 21st, the same sun sets at the exact opposite point. To us, it's mysterious ruins. To them, it was a cosmic time machine. Across the ocean, the Mayan civilization carved entire cities into astronomical calendars. At Chichen Itza, during the equinox, shadows formed the body of a serpent slithering down the pyramid, marking the change of seasons with breathtaking precision. And in Egypt, the pyramids themselves are aligned to the stars. The Great Pyramid points almost perfectly to true north, long before compasses existed. For the ancients, the heavens were their clock, their map, and their destiny. The moon gave humanity its first calendar, 29 days from new moon to full moon and back. The sun gave a solar year, 365 days. But these cycles didn't match. Some civilizations chose the moon, others chose the sun. The result? A constant struggle to keep calendars in sync with the seasons. The Babylonians tried, the Chinese tried. Even the mighty Romans failed, until Julius Caesar stepped in. In 46 BCE, he introduced the Julian calendar, 365 days plus an extra day every 4 years, what we call the leap year. It fixed farming and festivals, but it wasn't perfect. By the 1500s, the dates had drifted out of alignment by 10 whole days. And so, in 1582, Pope Gregory XIII made a bold move. He deleted 10 days from history. October 4th was followed immediately by October 15th. That's the Gregorian calendar we still follow today. But let's step back. Why exactly 12 months? Why 365 days? The answer lies in the motions of Earth and the Moon. Earth spins once every 24 hours, that's a day. The Moon orbits Earth in about 29 days, that's a month. Earth circles the Sun in 365 days, that's a year. And in that time, the Moon orbits Earth about 12 times, giving us 12 months. But Earth actually takes 365 and a quarter days. That extra quarter day is why we need a leap year every 4 years. Civilizations solved this in different ways. The Romans added leap days. The Hindus added an entire leap month. The Mayans used cycles so complex, they predicted eclipses centuries ahead. Different methods, one purpose, to bring order to the chaos of the sky. For the ancients, time wasn't just numbers, it was the heartbeat of the universe. When they looked up, they saw cycles of birth, death, and rebirth. They believed time wasn't a straight line, it was a wheel, turning endlessly, like the orbits of the heavens themselves. Today, we stare at digital clocks and calendar apps. We count down the seconds, we circle dates, we celebrate New Year's Eve with fireworks. But remember, January 1st, year 01 was never the beginning. It was just a human invention. Time was flowing long before that moment, and it will continue long after. So here's the real question. Are you truly feeling time? In the rising of the sun, the changing of the seasons, the rhythm of your heartbeat? Or are you just following someone else's calendar? Because time itself never began, and it may never end. If this journey into the mysteries of time intrigued you, give this video a like. And for more hidden stories from history, subscribe to Archivefacts, where the past still speaks. Thank you.